In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove backgrounds with Nano Banana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your workspace, upload your image, and guide the tool to remove the background while keeping those delicate edges, textures, and fine details intact for professional results. First, open your Gemini account. Having this open ensures Nano Banana can access the model capabilities it needs for precision background removal. Make sure you're in a stable internet environment and keep your browser up to date so uploads and processing run smoothly. If you work with multiple projects, it helps to clear your workspace and close any heavy tabs so your image preview loads quickly. Next, click the plus icon and upload your image. Choose the highest resolution version you have because fine edges, like hair, fur, or lace, are more accurately preserved when the source is crisp. Images with clear subject-background separation tend to produce the cleanest cutouts. JPG and PNG are typically safe choices. PNG is ideal if you plan to keep transparency after the background is removed. Give the upload a moment to complete and verify you're seeing the right file before moving on. Now it's time to enter your prompt. Type this exactly as it's been crafted to emphasize precision. Remove the background from the uploaded image, preserving fine edges, textures, and details for professional use. This phrasing tells the system to focus not only on removing the backdrop, but also on safeguarding subtle transitions, like wispy hair, fabric threads, glossy product edges, or intricate jewelry. Keeping the request concise and specific helps the model prioritize quality over unnecessary alterations so your subject remains true to life. After you confirm the prompt, it will generate your prompts automatically. This means the system will produce the behind-the-scenes instructions Nano Banana needs to carry out the background removal with a professional-grade finish. You don't need to handcraft additional settings. The generated prompts align with your request to preserve detail and maintain clean contours. If your original image has low contrast or motion blur, expect that extremely fine areas may need a stronger source image next time. Good lighting and a clear subject outline always improve results. For product photos, avoid reflective backgrounds that can confuse edges. For portraits, even lighting across hair and shoulders helps maintain a natural outline. That's it. Open your Gemini account, upload with the plus icon, enter the precision prompt, and let the system generate your prompts so Nano Banana can remove the background with professional clarity.